shot Rod from Woodsley Summercraft here. Now today is giveaway time. It has been a few weeks, in fact I think it's been a month, that I put something on Facebook that I was giving away 4 Yorkshire grit hats that Glyn Senior from the UK has sent over for me to give to 4 lucky Canadians, and also a tin of Yorkshire grit with a tin of Hampshire sheen high gloss. So one winner is going to receive these and a hat, and then 3 additional winners are going to win a hat also. So that is my giveaway, and I initially was asking people to give me a bit of a story on their background for wood turning, but it seemed to be a bit cumbersome. So all I'm asking you to do is put in the comments down below, maybe thumbs up in the comments. So put a thumbs up in the comments and I'll enter you to win these prizes. Now everybody that already sent me a story or a brief description of their wood turning experiences, I will enter you into the competition with a number, and you'll be the first 5 or 6 people with numbers to their names, and then everybody else I'm going to put a number to your name in the comments. So in the comments put a thumbs up, I'll put a number against your name and we'll go from there. And I'm not sure how long I'm going to leave this running for now, but it's going to be at least a couple of weeks. So free stuff here, come get your free stuff. This is for Canada only. As you know, I'm the Canadian retailer for Yorkshire grit and Hampshire sheen, so this competition is for Canada only. Okay, so one more thing I want to talk about. This camera that I'm using right now is a Canon PowerShot ELPH 330HS. Has a 10 times optical zoom, and it's only 30 frames per second. So I've been wanting to get a new camera for a long time, and I initially purchased one of these. It's a GoPro style camera, and it's 60 frames per second. It's the CX Gold Plus Activion, I think. I haven't even taken the sticker off the back yet. I've used it a couple of times, and to be honest, I don't like it. I don't know whether it's just me. It didn't seem to be particularly user-friendly. It's all touchscreen on the back and I couldn't find my way about it. But you ask people, I'm not the most technically minded person, so I didn't really like that one. So I went out today and I purchased myself this. It is the Sony Action Cam HDR AS50, and it is 120 frames per second, and it is continuous recording, whereas that one only records for 10 minutes at a time, which I've got used to, but it's still frustrating when it turns itself off and you don't realise. So I'm hoping that with this we'll get some better quality videos out there with better quality slow motion sections in the videos. So anyway, if you want to enter this competition and you live in Canada, put a thumbs up and I'll put a number against your name. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care now.